most homeowners have a huge asset that they are not utilizing efficiently. The prime real estate located on your rooftop can be used to benefit you tremendously. Currently, it is not used at all. Would you be interested in installing solar panels there? Not too many homeowners are aware that they are wasting a lot of money on their electricity bills by not adopting renewable energy as their primary energy source. The common misconception is that renewable energy adoption is very expensive and it is going to break their bank, hard to maintain, and not profitable. These incorrect perceptions were true 5 to 10 years ago. However, the current situation is very different. According to SEIA.org, in Q3 of 2016, every 84 seconds, a new renewable energy system was being installed somewhere in the United States. Why so many Americans are so aggressively adopting solar energy as their primary energy source? I'll tell you why. Americans were not aware of many benefits which are very compelling to their pocketbook. The Americans who came to realize the benefits could not stand idle and flush their hard-earned money down the toilet. They are willing to take steps to make solar energy as a part of their lifestyle. The benefits they have considered are as follows. According to SEIA.org, solar panel prices have dropped 19% between Q3 2015 to Q3 2016. Federal solar tax credit, which reimburses 30% of your solar panel installation cost, were renewed by Congress. Solar panel installation is not only a great home improvement idea, but also increases your property value, help you sell your home faster. Solar rebates by states, municipalities, and power companies, which reduces your solar panel installation cost even more. Net metering or feed-in tariff, the ability to sell excess electricity back to the power company and getting paid for it, is another great incentive. Opportunity to recoup the solar power investment within 5 to 7 years instead of 20 or 25 years. Ability of reducing greenhouse gases is another incentive that the homeowners are considering. A typical 5 kilowatt solar energy system could eliminate 400,000 tons of greenhouse gases from the atmosphere over 25 years. Significant reduction in electricity bills, which can be as little as $10 per month instead of $100, which you may currently pay per month. You pocket 90% of the electricity bill savings when you pay the system off within 5 to 7 years. You help the children and the elderly with asthma breathe easier. You price hike proof your electricity bill, as the hike won't impact 90% of your electricity bills. Are these mentioned benefits lucrative enough for you to consider switching to solar as your primary source of energy? I would think so, as you can slash your electricity bill by 90% and at the same time help reduce the greenhouse gases. It is an excellent way to help both your pocketbook and the environment. If you want to learn more about the savings and the benefits, visit solarinstallguru.com. What do you have to lose? Thank you.